Well, hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you guys one of my specialties. I've gotten tens of requests wanting me to show my beautiful lovely friends how I make up a mean pineapple cake, Jamaican style, my way in my kitchen. So if you want me to show you how me make my pineapple upside down cake, come on and let's do this.
Cause it's the Indian.
First of all, guys, I have the pineapple here. This is a canned pineapple, and this is in thick sweet syrup, right? Now, the juice from the pineapple, you're not going to throw that out. You want to keep that. This is what you're going to use into the upside down pineapple cake. And this is exactly 1 cup of pure pineapple juice. You're going to also need 3 eggs, butter, cherry. I'm going to be using some oil, and also I'm going to use some brown sugar. Now guys, I'm going to be adding a little bit of coconut into my mixture. This is a dry coconut. Also, the twist to my upside down pineapple cake is that I'm not going to be using flour and all that stuff to go through the regular process. What I usually do is get a box of cake mix. But this one is a yellow cake mix cake. So come on, let's add them flavors together. Alright guys, so this is the first step to making your upside down pineapple cake. I'm going to be adding a half a stick of butter. Your half a stick of butter, and just start stirring because you want that butter to melt. Then you're going to add your sugar. This is a cup of sugar, brown sugar, and then you just mix that in together. You just want this to all to come together and melt nicely. Now, if you want to add more sugar to this, you can add it. I don't want my one to extremely overly sweet, so it should look like this. And I'm going to let it come to a bubble, but not for long because I don't want it to burn. So I've been stirring here for about 4 minutes, right? And it's come to a really nice thick texture that I want it to. This is like so perfect. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into the baking pan. So let's go and show you how you get this done. I'm just going to go ahead and baste the corner of the baking pan. You could use butter or you can use oil, it doesn't matter. You don't have to do inside the pan because remember you're going to put the mixture in there. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour out the mixture in, and then you just distribute it around the pan. Okay, now the next step I'm going to do is get my pineapples. Now you could decorate any kind of way you want, but this is how I do mine in my kitchen. This thing smells so good already, guys. We didn't even reach halfway yet. Just like that is right there. Just put it down in the center.
Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down. Don't.
This is what it should look like when you get done adding your pineapple and the mixture in the bottom and your cherry. Alright, so let's put this away and let's get this, the third part of the upside down pineapple cake, going. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the cake mix. I'm going to add 3 eggs. I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm going to also add 1/4 of a cup of cooking oil and a cup of coconut, dry coconut. Now we're going to mix all this together. Okay, now guys, I'm going to go ahead and pour the mixture on top of the pineapple and the cherry slowly. I'm going to put this in my oven and I'm going to let this bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, I'm going to check it in 45 minutes. I'm going to put it back and finish up in 50 minutes. So I will see you guys back in 45 minutes. So here you have it, guys. The cake was baking for 45 to 50 minutes. I took it out of the oven, let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to turn it over now, let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. Wish me luck. This is the best part. So I just want to take that out. And there you have it. Alright. It's still pretty hot. So there you have it, guys. My version upside down pineapple cake with a little bit of coconut in it. And as usual, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And once again, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy.
And if distance separates us and things are far, as long as you know, girl, I wanna wrap you in my